Okay, today we'll be fixing a weak flowing shower head. Okay, so here's a shower head in question. It has a weak flow. You can see there's lots of built up mineral deposits on the shower head. I'll turn it on. So you can see some of those nozzles are spitting and sputtering. We're not getting full flow. You can use a pair of smooth jaw channel locks like this if the shower head does not unscrew by hand. Smooth jaw channel locks are nice because you don't have to worry about damaging the chrome finish on the shower head. Going to grab the two flats on the shower head and gently break it loose. Or you can use a regular pair of channel locks with a rag covering the serrated teeth so you don't damage the chrome finish. Once we break it loose, we can go ahead and easily unscrew the shower head from the nipple. And if we look inside, you can see there is debris in the screen. That would be my first step, is to clean out that screen of any debris. And to clean the shower head today, I'm going to use cleaning vinegar. Cleaning vinegar is for cleaning only. It is not for cooking. It has a stronger acid content than regular distilled white vinegar. So what I'm going to do is pour some of this cleaning vinegar that you can buy at your local big box store or online. Pour some of it into this Ziploc bag so all of those spray nozzles are completely submerged in vinegar. And I'm going to pour it through the center of the shower head like so. That way we're getting that cleaning vinegar down inside the internals of the shower head. The thinking here is you want to try to loosen up and dissolve and get rid of any of the built up mineral deposits and sediment inside the shower head. And by soaking those spray nozzles in vinegar for a couple hours, it'll help loosen up and dissolve the calcium and other mineral deposits on those nozzles, so they'll spray better and should get better flow. So we'll come back and check on this in a few hours and see what we got. In the meantime, I'm going to reapply some brand new Teflon tape to the threads on the nipple. Even though there is a rubber grommet down there inside the shower head, you still want to do a little bit of Teflon tape. Okay, so it's been a few hours now. You can see a little bit of white flakes and debris floating in the vinegar in the bag. And take a couple Q-tips and get out the debris that's in that screen first. You can buy replacement screens and rubber grommets at your local hardware store if you need to. We'll take a look at what we got. So I'm just gently wiping it off with a rag. You could also use like an old toothbrush. See what it looked like before, see what it looks like now. So there's a big noticeable difference. You could also use a tiny pick and hook set if you need to dig out each one of those little tiny holes, if there's still calcium lodged inside of those holes. Or you could let this soak in vinegar overnight if you needed to. Looks good. So now we'll go ahead and screw it back on to the nipple. It generally should just be hand tight and you should be good to go. especially if you have a plastic shower head. You don't want to crack and break it by over tightening it. And be careful not to cross thread. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. That should be good. So now we'll test it out. We'll try the different settings. So yeah, we have a much better even flow right now. You can see the nozzles aren't spitting and sputtering anymore. Woo! Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.